Success and wealth are not only about money or fame. True richness is when the heart feels light, the mind stays calm, and every step you take brings peace and meaning. Many people chase success outside but forget that the greatest treasure lives within. The teachings of the wise remind us that life's real power begins when we master our thoughts, act with purpose, and live with gratitude. Today, let's explore 8 timeless rules that can transform your heart, mind, and destiny, guiding you to live rich inside and out. Everything begins in the mind. The thoughts you feed yourself shape the world you see. When your mind is restless, even a calm day feels stormy. When your mind is peaceful, even chaos feels quiet. To grow rich in life, you must first learn to guide your thoughts, not let them control you. Many people are prisoners of their own emotions. They react, they panic, they fall into anger and fear, and they call it life. But freedom starts when you realize you are not your thoughts. You are the watcher behind them. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt and worry, weeds will grow. But if you plant seeds of patience, kindness, and faith, flowers will bloom. The garden doesn't care what you plant. It just grows whatever you feed it. That's how life works. If you constantly say, "I can't," you build walls. If you say, "I can," you build doors. Train your mind to stay still when things get hard. Take deep breaths before you respond. Learn to watch your feelings rise and fall without fighting them. This silence gives you strength. It helps you think clearly, act wisely, and choose peace over panic. When the mind is calm, you see truth. You stop rushing toward meaningless goals and start building a life that feels right. Real wealth begins when you can sit alone with your thoughts and feel calm, not lonely. When you can control your inner world, the outer world bends to your will. Your peace becomes your power. That is the first rule. Master your mind, and you master everything else. There's a difference between working and working with purpose. Many people wake up, rush to jobs they dislike, and return home feeling empty. But when your work connects with your heart, it becomes worship. The path to success is not about endless labor, it's about meaningful effort. The wise say, "Don't work only for the reward. Work because the work itself is sacred." Every small action can carry greatness if done with the right intention. When you cook, when you write, when you speak, put your heart into it. Success follows those who care. You don't have to chase money. Serve with honesty, and money will find you. When you stop asking, "What will I get?" and start asking, "What can I give?" life opens up in surprising ways. A purpose-driven life gives direction. It wakes you up with energy instead of fear. You stop comparing, stop complaining, and start creating. Every challenge becomes a lesson. Every failure becomes a teacher. You start realizing that success is not an event. It's a feeling that comes from doing what truly matters to your soul. Find something you can love, even in small ways. It doesn't have to be a big dream. It can be helping people smile, solving a problem, or simply bringing light to someone's day. Purpose doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers softly in your heart. When you live with purpose, you stop drifting. You walk with confidence. You no longer run after success. Success walks with you. That's the secret of those who seem unstoppable. They don't just work to survive. They work to serve, to grow, to fulfill something deeper. Let your actions be a reflection of your heart. That's how you become truly rich. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. Without it, even the best plans crumble. People often wish for miracles, but real miracles are built through small, consistent actions. The wise teach that freedom is not doing whatever you want. Freedom is having control over what you do. Discipline means waking up when you don't feel like it. It means doing what's right, not what's easy. It means keeping promises to yourself when no one is watching. This quiet strength separates the successful from the struggling. It's not talent, not luck. It's discipline that turns potential into power. Think of water dripping on stone. A single drop does nothing. But over time, even the hardest rock is shaped. That's the power of discipline. Every morning you choose your habits, and your habits build your future. If you fill your days with excuses, your life fills with regret. But if you fill your days with effort, your life fills with results. There will be days when you fail, when you want to quit. Don't be harsh on yourself. Discipline is not about perfection, it's about persistence. Every time you fall and rise again, you grow stronger. Your consistency becomes your shield. Your willpower becomes your wealth. The path may seem slow, but remember, a bamboo plant spends years growing roots underground before it shoots high into the sky. So when nothing seems to be happening, trust that something beautiful is growing within you. Stay patient. Stay committed. Discipline may feel hard at first, but it becomes your best friend. It gives you confidence, stability, and peace. The world respects those who can lead themselves. When you master discipline, success stops being a dream. It becomes your daily reality. A thankful heart turns ordinary days into blessings. Gratitude is the secret key that opens the door to happiness. Most people chase more money, more fame, more comfort, yet forget what they already have. The moment you stop noticing your gifts, life feels empty. But when you start counting blessings instead of losses, you realize you are richer than you thought. Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring pain. It means seeing the light even in the dark. It's easy to complain when things go wrong, but true wisdom is finding reasons to smile even then. Every breath, every sunrise, every friend, every challenge, all are reminders that life is giving you lessons in love. When you live in gratitude, fear loses its power. You stop comparing yourself with others. You begin to feel peace with who you are and where you are. You no longer chase joy, you create it. Gratitude shifts your energy. It attracts abundance. It teaches you that wealth is not what you hold, but how you feel. Try saying thank you more often, not just to people but to life itself. Thank the struggles that taught you strength. Thank the failures that led you forward. Thank the quiet moments that helped you reflect. Gratitude makes your heart lighter and your relationships stronger. If you can wake up each morning and find one reason to be thankful, you've already succeeded. Because happiness isn't found in having everything. It's found in appreciating everything. When you live in gratitude, you no longer need to chase success. You become success itself. The more thankful you are, the more peaceful you feel. Gratitude is the richest form of wealth. It's not in your wallet. It's in your heart. There's no greater joy than making someone else's life a little brighter. Helping others is not just kindness. It's a reflection of your soul. When you lift others, you rise too. Giving doesn't reduce your wealth. It multiplies it in ways money can't measure. When you help without expecting anything in return, you connect with something divine. It may be a small gesture, a smile, a kind word, a little time, but these tiny acts create ripples that touch hearts far beyond your sight. True success isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you return. The world remembers not those who had everything, but those who gave when they had little. When you help others, you cleanse your own heart. You stop living only for yourself. You begin to feel part of a greater purpose. There's magic in compassion. It turns pain into understanding and strangers into family. It reminds us that we are all connected. One human journey, different stories. Helping others doesn't always mean charity. It can mean listening, forgiving, or simply being there. The light you bring into someone's life always finds its way back to you. When you make someone smile, you make the universe smile. That's how kindness works. It circles back. The more you give, the more you grow. The more you share, the more your heart expands. Remember, a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. When your life becomes a source of light for others, success becomes something deeper than achievement. It becomes meaning. That's the true richness the soul seeks. Help others, and you'll never feel poor again. Life is a never-ending school. Every moment, every failure, every victory carries a lesson. Those who stop learning stop growing. True success belongs to those who stay curious. You may finish your studies, but you can never finish learning. The wise understand that knowledge is not just in books. It's in people, experiences, mistakes, and quiet reflections. When you open your heart to learn, you discover treasures everywhere. Growth happens when you remain humble enough to say, I don't know everything. The ego blocks wisdom, but humility invites it in. Listen more, observe more, ask questions. Life teaches those who pay attention. Each time you learn, you evolve. You begin to see life differently and with more understanding and compassion. You stop reacting blindly and start responding wisely. Learning gives you the tools to turn struggles into strength and problems into purpose. Don't be afraid to change your mind. Growth often feels uncomfortable because it means letting go of old patterns. But remember, a seed must break before it blooms. Keep feeding your mind with positive ideas and your soul with truth. When you choose to keep learning, you never get stuck. You stay alive, alert, awake. You begin to shape your destiny with clarity, and soon the world starts opening doors for you because knowledge attracts opportunity. Stay curious, not arrogant. Be a student of life till your last breath. Every person you meet, every challenge you face has something to teach you. Keep learning because wisdom, not wealth, is the greatest success of all. When storms come, the trees that bend survive. Calmness is not weakness, it's power under control. Everyone faces pain, loss, and disappointment, but how you respond determines whether you grow or break. In difficult times, the mind panics. It tells you things will never get better. But silence your mind and listen to your heart. Storms always pass. The sun always returns. You cannot control what happens, but you can control how you face it. That's real strength. The wise teach that pain is not your enemy. It's your teacher. Every hardship carries a message: to slow down, to reflect, to build patience. When life feels heavy, breathe. Don't rush to fix everything. Sit with yourself. Feel the pain, but don't become it. Let it flow through you and watch it leave. Staying calm doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means handling them with clarity. When you stay peaceful inside, you make better choices outside. Your calmness protects your energy, your relationships, your dreams. Remember, a muddy river clears when it's still. So when your life feels messy, stay still. Trust that things are aligning even when you can't see how. Time heals, silence heals, patience heals. Many people lose themselves when life tests them. Don't. Your peace is your greatest wealth. Guard it, nurture it. Speak gently, act mindfully, and hold faith even in darkness. No storm lasts forever. The calm heart always wins. When you can stay peaceful amid chaos, you become unshakable, and that is true success. The final key to lasting happiness is simplicity. In a world that tells you to want more, choose less. True wealth is not having everything. It's needing less. The more you simplify, the freer you become. We fill our lives with things, yet still feel empty. We chase possessions but lose peace. Simplicity brings us back to what truly matters: love, health, kindness, peace of mind. When your heart is light, your soul breathes easier. Living simply doesn't mean living small. It means living clearly. It means knowing that joy comes from within, not from what you own. You don't need fancy clothes to feel worthy, or big houses to feel safe. You only need contentment. When you let go of unnecessary wants, you discover abundance in ordinary things. A quiet morning, a kind smile, a meal shared with someone you love. These are treasures no money can buy. Simplicity is power. It gives you space to think, to rest, to live. It helps you focus on growth instead of greed. You stop competing and start living. You realize that peace is the highest form of success. If you can end your day feeling light, thankful, and at peace, you are richer than kings. Live in a way that makes your heart calm, not your ego proud. When you live simply, you make room for miracles. You stop chasing life and start experiencing it. That's when you truly win. Not because you have more, but because you need less and love more. Simplicity is the crown of a rich life. When your outer world becomes lighter, your inner world shines brighter. And that, my friend, is real success. The path to true success isn't found in competition, but in compassion. It isn't about building a fortune, but about building a soul. Master your mind. Live with purpose, stay grateful, and love simply. and you will find yourself not only successful but deeply, peacefully rich.